All right, what's up, people? It's Monday, and Monday is the beginning of the week. So that means you can wipe the slate clean and start fresh. Tabula rasa. Wipe the slate clean. So the question is, what are you going to do this week to improve your health? So I'm going to give you a little tip. Incorporate one healthy habit each day consistently this week. So maybe it's taking a water bottle with you to work every day and drinking water at all your meals. Or maybe it's packing your lunch. Maybe it's prepping a meal. Maybe it's cooking vegetables at night to eat throughout the week. Just pick one thing and incorporate it every single day. Maybe get up and go for a walk every morning. Maybe meditate a little bit before you go to bed, but just do one thing. Can you do that? One thing every day.